Hello everyone, in this video I'm only going to show you what we are going to be doing in this course. So first of all, this is the introduction. In section 2 we are going to set up our lab environment by installing SQL Server 2019 and Ssms. Ssms gets used to connect to our database. So if I click on resources, and there is two links, a link to both of these downloads. And here we go. Here we have SQL Server 2019. Yes, here we go. 2019, the exe, and here we have SSMS. So that is section 2. Section 3, we are going to learn about databases, how to create them, what they are, and how to backup and restore our databases. Here is creating databases and tables, and then creating databases and tables using SQL, meaning that instead of doing it manually, we are going to be using a query. Don't worry if you don't understand yet. Next up, from section 4, we are only going to be using SQL. We have the select statement, the where clause, and or not, in and between, insert, delete, and update, and alter and drop. We can use insert, delete, and update to insert, delete, or update a record. And then select is probably the most common statement we use. We use it to select our data. Where clause filters out if we only want specific data and or not. So that's basically the basic SQL statements. In section 5, we have data filtering, order by, group by, having clause, and top clause. And next up is aggregated functions. I'm going to explain to you what they are, the different types, like minimum, maximum, count, and sum. We can calculate that to see who's the youngest or oldest person in the company, or who gets the most salary, or what does the company spend a month on salaries and stuff like that. Then we have indexing, union, null and not null, and primary keys. The primary keys and joins, which is the next section, gets used together so that we can query data from multiple tables. So you don't need any prior knowledge to take this course. But all you have to do is take it from the top, from setting up the lab environment, unless you already have your environment set up. Just start from the top, how to create databases and so forth, and then you should be okay. In the next video.